Alright, so we're looking at another double displacement problem here. So I'll go ahead and write out what we have: Na2SO4 plus AgNO3. And what you'll be seeing is that the Na will join with the NO3, the Ag will join with the SO4. First thing I want to do is figure out the charges on each of these species, and then we'll be able to figure out how we get compounds A and B. So Na2SO4 would be made up of two Nas and one SO4. We know the SO4 has a -2 charge, so that'll be -2 on that side. We know we need a +2 charge to match that on the positive side, which means we need +1s on the sodiums. With the AgNO3, that's 1 Ag and then 1 NO3. The charge on NO3 is -1. We get that off the polyatomic ion sheet, and the Ag will have a positive charge to match that, and you can see how that would work out. Alright, so that would give us the species, and we're just looking for one of each of these to give our answer here. So it'll be Na+, maybe not in this order, but these will be the answers to these 4 questions. Alright, so those would be the single ions. I'm going to take this a little bit further now and go ahead and show you how we get the compounds A and B. So we know we're going to take one of the Na pluses, just one, and we're going to try and join that with the NO3 negative. And over here we've got Ag plus, and we're going to join that with the SO4 2 minus. So now I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that. We've got Na2SO4 plus AgNO3, and the Na plus and the NO3 minus will join together to give NaNO3. The Ag plus and the SO4 2 minus, I'm asking myself this question: how many of these do I need to balance out the -2 on the sulfate? And it would be Ag2SO4, and that's how I'd end up with that particular arrangement there. Now I can go ahead and balance this. I've got 2 silvers here, so I'll put a 2 in front of here. That'll balance that. That means we've got 2 NO3, so I'll go ahead and put a 2 in front of the NaNO3. That gives me 2 sodiums, and that balances out the 2 sodiums here. We've got 1 sulfate and 1 sulfate, so everything's okay. Once I take a look at the solubility chart, I'll know that these guys are aqueous, and that's aqueous. And the silver sulfate, that's going to end up being the solid. Alright, so that's how we end up getting the identities of compounds A and B.